Scene script. Ever found yourself at the crossroads of research, grappling with the daunting task of formulating a captivating research title? To kick off, let's unravel the mystery of what makes a good research title. A powerful research title should succinctly convey the core of your study while intriguing your audience and setting the stage for your findings. It's like the headline of a newspaper article, the first impression that can make or break the reader's interest. Now let's break this down into a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify your area of interest. This is the broad topic that you're passionate about and willing to delve into. It could be anything from climate change to artificial intelligence. Step 2. Identify special problems within your area of interest. Think of these as gaps in the existing body of knowledge that your research could fill. Moving on to Step 3. Identify possible causes of the problem. This step requires a bit of detective work. What factors could potentially be contributing to the problem you've identified? The fourth step is to select one cause out of the many possible causes. Choose the one that seems most significant or intriguing to you. The fifth step is to link the selected cause to the problem. Create a logical connection between the cause and the problem. Step 6 involves refining your statement. Try to make your title more specific and clear. In Step 7, modify your statement further. This step requires a critical review of your title. Look for any potential improvements or tweaks. Step 8 is all about evaluating your title. Ask yourself, does this title accurately represent my research? Is it clear and concise? Does it grab attention? Finally, Step 9, define your variables. These are the specific elements of your research that you'll be measuring or observing. In essence, crafting a compelling research title involves identifying your area of interest, pinpointing a problem within that area, examining potential causes, selecting one cause, linking that cause to the problem, refining and modifying your statement, evaluating your title, and defining your variables. The key takeaway? A good research title should be clear, concise, and captivating. It should encapsulate the essence of your research, pique curiosity, and set the stage for your findings. And remember, crafting a compelling research title isn't just about ticking boxes. It's a creative process that requires curiosity, critical thinking, and a dash of courage. So don't be afraid to think outside the box and push the boundaries of conventional thinking. In the end, a captivating research title could be the key to unlocking a world of opportunities for your research. So, take the time to craft it carefully. Your research deserves it.